Everything that a child does should be playful. A child's work is playtime. And once educators and people working with children realize that, then the learning really can begin.
My first semester here at SUNY Cobleskill in the early childhood program has been amazing. It's really been an eye-opener for me and been able for me to seek out different opportunities of what I might want to do in the future. One of the main reasons that I really did pick SUNY Cobleskill also was because they have an actual early childhood facility downstairs on campus.
The early childhood program is fortunate to have not only our lab school right here on campus, but also the Cobleskill Campus Child Care Center that is right across the street from campus. That's the center that houses infants, toddlers, preschoolers. They're connected to the local school district for universal pre-K through a grant, and they take in school-age children for an after-school program. But we also have the barns. We also have the Therapeutic Riding Center, the Canine program.
Most of our community involvement for the Child Development Center actually is involvement on campus. We take the children on field trips, so they get to go to the greenhouses, the fish hatcheries. We've been to the swimming pool, the basketball courts, the culinary department.
My favorite part about the program was probably the hands-on. Like being able to experience this, it really showed me that I want to be a child care center teacher.
It teaches you how to do lesson plans and how to approach each subject.
Everything is hands-on. So I was able to go downstairs in the preschool to work with the children.
In fact, some of their early classes, they will be starting their observations of children in our lab school, where they can learn about their child development and see firsthand how children play, how children learn.
I feel like that's the best way to learn. I personally went through this program as a student, and I feel it's where I gained the most experience with young children, and it is where I decided that this is what I want to do.
It offers students like me to do practicum, which is actually interacting with other students during the day to see the different things they do and learn about it. So it's like you're teaching in a classroom and you get the real life experience.
You're able to work within the classroom with teachers here and with the children, so you get a lot of hands-on experience.
As a practicum student in the Child Development Center, you will be required to write lesson plans and implement lesson plans that are developmentally appropriate for young children, ages 3 to 5.
The program has a strong focus on infant early childhood mental health as well. The social emotional development of a young child is of utmost importance, and we need people who are kind and compassionate and committed to children. In early childhood, we also talk about the many different languages of children, meaning their expression through art, music, play, writing, reading.
We're always planning and figuring out how we can make them jump to that next milestone. And it's really great to just see them develop on a day-to-day basis. It's really great to watch them evolve as the semester goes through. And the classes are kind of semi-small where you can really engage with all of the students and all of them by name, and you're able to really get that one-on-one with the professor if you needed it.
The faculty here is amazing. They're really helpful because they're really approachable.
They talk to you on a day-to-day basis. They really want you to succeed here and really do all they can to help you.
And then the capstone class for the bachelor's degree program would be internship, where they can practice teaching as a classroom teacher or work in the field in some other capacity. Many of our students do choose the pathway of going for certification. So upon completion of their bachelor's degree program, they take advantage of the many memorandums of understandings that we have with graduate schools and go on for a master's in teaching and get their certification through their master's program. Students who don't choose to do that often end up working in charter schools and magnet schools, private schools and preschools. They can become directors of daycare centers. They could be working in Head Start, or they could be working in agencies that work with children and families.
The hands-on experience and honestly, the close-knit community that we have here is really nice.
You learn something different every day.
We are thrilled to help you become the professional that you're meant to be.
It's a really great experience. Just take the leap.